Hi, welcome back to my video. In the previous video, you saw how to find the SSH version of a web application. So now in this video, you are going to learn how to find the FTP version of a web application. FTP is a file transmission protocol where the files and folders can be uploaded to the server and easily accessed by the users. And the FTP ports start from 21 onwards. The FTP version model simply scans a range of IP address and determines the versions of an FTP servers. So here I am going to type cd metasploit framework and next typing ls command and next loading up the MSF console by typing /MSF console, and next I am going to use FTP model for scanning the FTP version. Here I am typing use auxiliary /scanner /FTP /FTP version and checking out the information of an FTP. Here you can see some of the information like FTP pass, FTP user and R hosts, R port which starts from port 21, at last threads. Now to set up the model, I need to just enter the R host and threads. So now I am going to type set rhost and the IP address, that is 192.168.1.102. Here I am directly setting up the rhost because in the previous video you saw the SSH version of the same rhost. On that basis I am using the similar rhost. So next, setting up the threads by typing set threads 255, at last typing run. So now here you can see the version of an FTP server that are running, that is 220 pro FTP PD 1.3.1 and the server is bbox. So next, if you find many rhosts present in your network, then better you make use of this method. Here I am typing rhosts and setting up the IP address as 192.168.1.100/24 and again I am using run command. Here shows us the only one FTP banner, similarly which we got previous, so we did not find any other FTP version. That's how we are going to find the FTP version of a particular host. Thank you.